You think you have endless time. You don't. Most people live like they have forever. They scroll instead of build. They comfort instead of create. They postpone instead of pursue. The math is brutal. 80 years equals 4,000 weeks. Most waste 3,000 of them. If you knew your exact end date, would you still choose the couch? Would you still delay that dream? Would you still say tomorrow? The dying share the same regrets. They wish they lived bolder. They wish they risked more. They wish they stopped waiting for permission. Urgency creates clarity. Scarcity reveals value. When time feels short, priorities become sharp. Your comfort today becomes your regret tomorrow. Your delay today becomes your desperation later. Every sunrise is borrowed time. Every sunset is time spent. Every choice is time chosen. The hourglass doesn't pause for your fears. It doesn't wait for your readiness. It simply flows. Time scarcity is your greatest teacher. That's the marble mindset.